Hey guys, we are gonna play Five Nights at Freddy's 2 and record it. We have not yet got to that. We've been practicing, we have got to night 5. We've done night 5 because we thought it would be fun and, well, fun to see me laugh and cry.
Yeah, it was fun to see you laugh and cry. I let him play and
I cried 3 times. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna play Five Nights at Freddy's
guys, they're guys
3. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, or whatever thing. You know what? I want you to put on the subscription below and tell us who should play.
And all the results must be received by December 5th. December 5th, so...
Because we're not going to be able to play it if you don't then.
So, comment below either Alex or Dalton on who you want to play, and we will play it for you. You should say Dalton, because he has better reactions. So, anyways, guys, see ya.
Bye! No.
Oh, and if you're a girl, guys mean girls and guys, so, Dalton, please don't flip off.